Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a idli batter at your home. So for this idli batter, what you need, here I put 4 cup of idli rice and 1 tablespoon of methi seed. So I'm telling again, here I put 4 cup of idli rice and 1 cup of methi seed, and here I soaked the urad dal. I added 1 cup of urad dal. So for the idli batter, 4 cup of idli rice, 1 tablespoon of methi seed and 1 cup of urad dal. So we have to soak this one for at least 3 to 4 hours. After that we have to grind it in the grinder, or if you don't have a grinder at your home, you can grind it in the mixie, which I have shown in my YouTube channel guys. So yeah. And here I soaked the urad dal for vada. So keep everything ready guys for the breakfast. So yeah. So this one is for idli and this is the vada batter. I'm going to make idli vada sambar chutney for tomorrow's breakfast. So, yeah. So first I'm going to grind for vada. I'm going to add this urad dal. So if you don't have the grinder guys, you can grind it in the mixie also. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes for the Medu Vada. So yeah, making the Medu Vada in the grinder, it gives the nice and crispy vada guys. So that's why we used to grind in the grinder. So this batter is for Medu Vada. So yeah. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes. As I said, if you don't have the grinder at your home, you can grind it in the mixie by adding little bit of water. Don't add too much of water. So, yeah. So this is how the traditional they make this vada, idli batter, dosa batter, everything in the grinder. So after 5 to 7 minutes, can you see it started becoming slow down? That means we have to add water. So here I am adding little bit of water, and yeah. So every 5 minutes we have to add some little bit of water. Don't add too much of water. Again we have to grind this for 5 minutes. My Medu Vada batter will be ready. So the Medu Vada battery is ready guys. So how I'm going to check whether this battery is ready or not. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add little bit of urad dal batter in this bowl. So can you see it's in the top only. So that means the battery is ready. So I will show you. So can you see it's in the top only. So I'm adding this batter in the water. It's not going down, it's in the top. That means the battery is ready. So yeah. So I'm going to remove this batter. So the Medu Vada battery is ready and I kept it in the big container, and I'm going to store this one in the fridge guys. We should not supposed to keep this one in the outside because I'm going to make vada tomorrow. So you have to prepare everything one day before. So yeah, and it's time to prepare the idli batter. So here I'm adding some whole black pepper. It gives the nice crunchy taste in this Medu Vada. If you want to skip, you can skip. And what I'm going to do, you can add the chopped chilli and chopped ginger. So yeah, and I'm going to mix this one with my hand. So this is ready and it's time to put it in the oil. So before making the vada guys, what we have to do, we have to mix this vada batter like this in a clockwise. So you'll get the fluffy vada like hotel. See? So you have to mix this one for 5 minutes. So before making vada guys, what you have to do, you have to dip your hand in this bowl of water and take a small portion of this batter and make a small hole like this, and I'm going to put in the oil. So here again take a small portion like this and I'm putting it oil. So we have to fry this Medu Vada until it becomes light brown and very crispy. So yeah, so we have to cook both the sides. If you can't able to make the small hole, leave it, you can prepare like that. But in Medu Vada, we usually put the small hole in between the vada. And here my hotel sambar is ready for this vada. So I removed the vada from the oil and it's very crispy guys. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the sambar in the top of the vada. So I added some sambar in the top of the vada. So sambar vada is ready. If you want to add some coriander in the top, you can. So this is a quick video of how to make a crispy Medu Vada with the homemade batter at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.